In this video, I'm going to show you how to swap SOL to ASTER token. Now, first of all, if you actually wanted to access ASTER DEX and get yourself some ASTER and stuff like that on the newer DEX, you can go ahead and use the link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment, and that will take you to the official ASTER DEX website. And if you sign up using my link, you'll get a discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure to check it out. As I said, link down below. So to actually swap Solana to ASTER, it's actually much easier than you might have thought. You can just use one of the wallets who have the swap feature. So if I just open up, for example, Trust Wallet over here, you could just open up Trust Wallet, and then they do have a feature to actually swap Solana to ASTER. So click on the swap button. And here you can see you can select Solana, and then of course the chain, and then of course ASTER as to what you are swapping into, and then just click on the swap button and you've successfully swapped. Now after that you can go ahead and deposit this on the DEX, the ASTER DEX over here, or of course what you could do is just use it however you want to elsewhere. So that's pretty much how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.